Hi everyone. Today what I'm gonna be doing is reattaching a client's locks. Reattaching locks. These are the client's locks that he brought me here. So I'm gonna be doing the reattachment of his own locks. So what I do is with my tool that I sell on my website. Let me just show you, because I did these already. You see how I open up the ends? So what I do is, with my water concoction, I'm gonna spray the ends. This is the part where, this is the side that I'm gonna install, because these are the ends. You'll know because you see how thick they are. So you know those are the ends. So I'm gonna take my tool and I'm gonna simply open them up so that I can do the attachment. Open them up. He has some double heads here. So I spray with my concoction. In my concoction, I have distilled water, tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint oil. Now they'll be ready for install. So I look at the ends so that you can see which one is the actual, belongs to the top or the bottom. So you see, spray it. Start from the end and just separate the hair. If you run into something like this, just go above it, above the little knot, and around it, and then you just separate. And I use my finger to guide me. These are double heads, so spray them double heads. These are more thicker. This tool you can find on my website, www.truelocksystem.com. I'm gonna have it on this video somewhere down here. It's great to have because I use this tool to open the locks that I'm attaching, or if I have a client that wants to remove their locks, they no longer want their locks, their natural locks, they no longer want their natural locks and they just want to have their natural hair, this is the tool that I use as well. And I'll do the same thing. I'll wet it with my concoction. I'll start from the end. You see, I ran into a knot, so I just go around it, separate it. You see? You gotta work slowly and carefully because you don't want to rip the lock. You don't want to rip this off. I mean, if you go rough, you will rip it off, and that you need this part. Okay? So these are the ones that I opened up. I apologize, everyone. The clip cut off on me, but this is a little video to show you how to get to the tool that I used for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Stay blessed.